Hello, now I am here cleaning this place. This is a school. Yeah, it's a school in Solna, Stockholm. Yes, I am the one cleaning. My company is cleaning here. Yes. I don't have my company clothes because I am the owner of the cleaning company. That's why I don't have a normal cleaning clothes. So that's the reason. Maybe you're thinking, okay, she cleaning and she have these clothes. No. And also I have this one, So I also, um, that's why I have my headset because I am the owner of the company. I help my people to clean when they cannot clean some of the contract. Yes. Cleaning work is a very good work also because when you get the contract, you just do your job. The one I'm cleaning now is a school. It's a kitchen of the school, and the children eating here. It's a very big one. So you see, I clean already there. So that's why I don't want to touch. I don't want to be close there, because if I'm gonna do that, then I will mark the floor again. Thank you so much for watching. When you need some cleaning, you can just call me, and I'm here to help you to clean. So my people will help you to clean as well. Just call me and sign a contract, and we will clean your place. Anything that you want to clean, the house, the office, a school, stairs, kitchen, anything. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and this is Amparo cleaning company in Sweden. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.